Well, it's 9 o'clock on a Tuesday night. It's peeing it down with rain, but we're into the thick of it. As you can see, the head is off, and we're into the gearbox. Some lovely thick congealed oil. Although realistically, well, everything looks okay. All the gears don't look wore out. There's a couple that have got some rough teeth in there. They look alright. They'll be fine. Nothing too bad. There. Yeah. No, there's nothing too bad in that. That's just oil was dripped on there, I suppose. No chunks of metal or anything in there. Just really bad casting marks, I guess, at the bottom. That's what the lumps and bumps are. So, put the cover back on there. Yeah. Well, at least I know what's in there now. But I didn't film taking it off because, well, that's boring and I couldn't get a good camera angle. All you'd have pretty much seen is my arse crack for an hour and a half. And nobody really wants to see that. But I'll happily charge for that if anyone's interested. You know, can't say no to that, can you? Alright. Next bit will be, I'll have it up on the bench, the head, and we'll see what's what in there.